Hello friends, good evening. Today I just want to show my secret recipe which I prepared for my children because they were not eating beetroot in their childhood. I thought it is a very important thing for them to eat beetroot, but they like the North Indians style of doing the thing. Hence I tried this recipe, beetroot kofta. So today I am going to show that beetroot kofta, which my children liked it, all my relatives and my students too liked the things. So it has become famous in my school as well as with all the parties wherever I prepare. I thought I can share with you also, and then you can also enjoy it. Now, the ingredients required for beetroot kofta is I taken one beetroot. It's peeled and grated. Then little besan and rice flour and little bit of maida. This thing I am going to mix it with this. And I put it in the this I am putting 2 teaspoons of besan, then 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and then 1 spoon of maida. 1 spoon of maida. Then this is cut small chilies, green chilies, cut chilies, and this is ginger, and this is curry leaves, and I didn't have this dhania patta, so I put only curry leaves. That's all. I put little haldi and little chili powder for the kofta to be done. Now this thing, just going to mix it up. Okay. I'm just going to put little bit of hot oil so that the kofta remains crispy. And salt to taste. Now I'll mix it up, add little water to make this beetroot kofta balls. Add sufficient water to make beetroot balls. You should not add more water, just see enough water is added so that it binds together and form a good beetroot kofta balls. See? Just going to taste with the salt and okay, yeah, it's fine. If you taste it now only, it is better. Otherwise, if the salt is more and salt is less, it won't taste. So now I made the beetroot kofta dough. This I will make it into small balls.
Okay.
As kofta. Okay. Making small balls of beetroot kofta out of that whatever I mixed. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, दोनों हाथ में रख के ऐसे गोल बना रहे. Okay?
हाँ.
If you want, you can make a little more bigger, but it will be nice because when you soak it in gravy, it will grow. It will become slightly bigger. So it will be neat to see on the dish. Started frying the beetroot kofta in a refined groundnut oil. You can use whatever oil you are using and fry it just like pakoda. You just fry it and take it out. This you can do one day earlier also if you are having a large party, if you are going to do large quantity. This beetroot का अलग से बना के रख सकता है. You can keep it separate. Fry करके खाली beetroot को तो वैसे अलग रख सकता है. You can keep it separately. Beetroot koftas can be fried and kept inside the fridge in a airtight container one day before the party if you are making it a larger quantity. The next day you can make only the gravy so that it is easier for you and the things will be done in time. So इसलिए ना फ्राई करने के टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं रखना. तेज़ रखे तो ऊपर पहले काला हो जाता है, अंदर तो. Gravy for kofta. First take oil in the kadai. Then once the oil is here, little jeera ma'am. Now for the beetroot kofta we have to make gravy. For that first put little jeera. The tail, once it splitters, this around 2 to 3 teaspoons, depending upon the quantity of kofta you make. This is for only one beetroot. I made say 3. The splitter नहीं हो रहा ना. I am putting onion. I think 1 big onion or 2 medium sized onions. All the masalas. That is dhania powder. With haldi powder, dhania powder, 2 teaspoons of dhania powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. This is garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon. This is chili powder, 1 teaspoon. For the gravy, now in this I am going to add the tomato puree which you have browned and kept. Then salt to taste. Yes. Now let this onion and tomato cook for some time. Then add water for the gravy. You can add water depending upon how much gravy you require. Add little more water. Gravy is enough for koftas. So when it is boiling, you can drop the koftas. If you are eating today, you are eating tomorrow, let it boil, add little bit dhania leaves, fresh dhania leaves, and keep it aside, and tomorrow you can reheat it again. You can put the koftas and then serve them hot. It will be very koftas looks like this. Now I am going to drop them in this gravy which is boiling, and I'll switch it off. The beetroot kofta is ready. You can eat with your chapatis or with your rice, hot rice. It will be tastier. So I am sure you will also love it. And so I am putting those beetroot kofta in the. Open it. Inside it will be like pakoras. Nicely cooked. Beetroot is nicely cooked because it is deep fried and things are done very well. Garnish with coriander leaves or grated cheese. Your beetroot kofta is ready and you can enjoy it with your hot chapatis as well as a plain white rice. Plain white rice. It will be very tasty and you will enjoy it definitely, and I want your feedback so that any improvisation could be done. I will do it. Thanks. Comment it in the comment section about this recipe. How was it? Do you like it or not?